How to add a new bank card to Apple Pay. So if you want to go and add a new debit or credit card to your Apple Pay, the first thing we need to do is go and open up the Settings application on your phone. From the Settings page, scroll all the way down to Wallet and Apple Pay and click on this. Then come down to Payment Cards and select Add Card. Now there's a few options here. You can either just select debit or credit card, or if you have an app on your phone that contains your debit card information, then you can usually link your card directly from the app itself. So I'm just going to click on debit or credit card. I'm going to press continue. You can try holding your card near to your iPhone to see if it reads the data. If holding your iPhone near to your card is not pulling up your information, then you can select Enter Card Details manually at the bottom of the window, and then you can just go and enter the long card number found on your debit card. Click on Next in the top right-hand side. Go and enter an expiry date and also the security code. So I'm just going to type in some random numbers here and press Next. So that's one way you can go and add your card to Apple Pay. The other method is by opening up the Wallet application directly from your home screen. You can also use the search box to go and search for Wallet. Once you're on this page, you can click on the plus icon in the top right-hand side and you'll be taken to this page here, where you can also go and add a debit or credit card. Now, once you've added your card, you can simply double-click the lock screen button on the right-hand side of your iPhone, and this will allow you to start using this card for Apple Pay. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you with the next one.